Alright, now we are doing a little fun activity, children. Now this particular line that is there, carefully climbing with same pain you used to fill a cup up to the brim and even above the brim. Now we are trying to do this here, right? Fill the cup to the brim and a little above the brim. And you will realize that it is something that I cannot do right away. It will require a little patience and also a lot of precision, right? Patience plus precision. So let me pour this water into this cup. Now initially you see that I'm doing it fast because I know, there's a lot of space left. Now this glass is almost full. You can see that this glass is almost full. But now if I do a little bit of effort, I can pour in a little more water into it. You see, it has not spilled over. Now what is the meaning of filling it to the brim and a little above the brim? If you see the rim of it, the brim, it is all full and it is even going a little above that rim of the cup, but it is not spilling over. Now I cannot pour the entire glass quickly into it, otherwise the entire water will spill over. But I can maybe add a few more drops. Just check. Yes, it did not spill over. I was able to add a little more and a little more without spilling. A few more drops. Yes, it is filled even over the brim. The brim is already there. It is even a little above the brim. And maybe a few more drops I can add. Yes, I have done it without spilling it. Yes. Now if I add even a drop more to this cup, which is filled to the brim and even a little above the brim. Now this is the exact precision that you require. You could not master it in one go. Alright? You tried doing it with patience and slowly. And now you've got that precision, how much water you can add into it, and beyond this you cannot add any more. Alright, so pause. Now children, through this video I'm going to try to explain this to you. Now when it says he kept his poise to the top branches, climbing carefully with same pain you used to fill a cup up to the brim and even above the brim. Now if you look at this video, now you see that this person is trying to climb a birch tree. Alright, now he stops here, tries to pull the tree downward. He is not able to do it. He knows that he has not reached that right precise point from where he should flung himself. See, he climbs a little more and here he finds that he has not reached the right place. So with precision he climbs a little more. This is filling a little over the brim. And then he again tests there. Now he realizes, yes, from this point he can launch himself. Now when he is leaving the tree, children, you will see that the tree has grown limb. The rest of the trees are still straight, but this one has grown limb. Now this is one more video to just bring out that same idea to you. You see how the trees are absolutely straight right now? And this fellow is climbing onto these one of these trees, and again he is testing the exact precise place from where he can launch himself, because if he is doing it from little too low, he will not be able to launch himself. See, he is testing it. He tries to do it from that position, he could not. Now therefore he climbs a little more, that is like trying to fill the cup a little more over the brim. So now he feels that he is reaching that position where he can launch himself. He is trying to go a little higher up because he feels that is the position from where he will be able to launch himself and reach the ground absolutely clear. See, goes a little higher because he knows from here the tree will be able to take his weight and take him down. See, now how he has left the tree now, but the tree has grown limb. Now you see this. The tree has grown limb. It is no longer straight like it was earlier.